Hi guys, this is Elizabeth again, and I am going to cut my soap that is scented with China Rain. And I'm just gonna pop it out here. We're supposed to get a lot of snow today, so I thought today would be a good day to make some soap and to cut some soap. There's the sides, the top, the sides. Use my handy dandy slicer. I am hoping to get my cutter soon, because I just can't cut worth the darn. Try and try and try, and I just can't. Okay, let's see if you can see that. Nope. That's China Rain. Oh, it's just a very, very fresh, clean scent. Let's see how much they weigh. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning up. There they are. That one was 5.45. That one's 5. Which is why I want a slicer. You know, they look, you know, they look okay, but they're just not consistent in size, and I want consistent in size. So I will have to clean these up a little bit. There's the little bit of titanium dioxide I was worried about, because I didn't mix it into my oils or any oil, and I should have mixed it in oil first. Let's see, let's tear that. Yeah, that's 5.5. So, you know, so you have 5 and 5.5. That's a ½ ounce difference. And yeah, it looks to me like I'm cutting it the same, but what do I know? I've never had any customers complain, but it really bothers me, so. Anyway, this is China Rain. It will be on the website in a few weeks. That's 5. So there's a little bit, a pretty good discount of water in here, so they shouldn't shrink too much. I kind of like that swirl. A little bit different. 5.65. So I cannot wait. The cutter. Got a little bit more blue. There. A little bit of swirl. Kind of reminds me of waves. It's a fairly light scent. A little bit different than out of the bottle. That's kind of hard to tell when you're surrounded with smells all day. Sometimes I have to divorce myself from the scents and then go back and smell it. Because everyone else but me can smell. They're pretty. Nice summery bar. Okay. Let's see how much that was. 5.2. Okay. Well, I won't bore you with cutting the rest of it, but I did want to show you my soaps I made a few weeks ago, and these are ready to go on the site. One of them's on the site yet. This one is not yet, just because I can't get a good picture of it. But this is blood orange and Litzia, and those are little rubber duckies, and they're sitting on a little bit of water. They're flat on the bottom, and they have little embeds inside. The embeds are unscented because I didn't know what I was going to use them for. And the little duckies are cold process along with the rest of the soap. And this is the cupcakes that went with them, and those are also the same thing on the bottom. They're swirled with blood orange and Litzia, and they have a little Easter bunny on top. So I think those are really cute. Anyway, I just wanted to show you those. The bunnies are on the site now, and the bars will be as soon as I get a good picture. But so for some reason that yellow is just really hard to photograph, so I may just put them up there anyway. I don't know. I'm always looking for the perfect picture, but then who isn't? Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'm going to go and make some more soap, so maybe I'll be talking to you later today. Bye. Thanks for watching.